In front of me is Redmi Note 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Then you need to choose audio at the top. Click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, click on your file you wish to attach. To add a video on, select Gallery section instead. Over here, tap on your video here, or if you can't find it, select Gallery section again, and this time choose Folders. Now look for your video and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!